Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.49, input base glass top quantity in cell U480. Quantity is the 5th number you are prompted to enter. Worksheet layout in this app mimics the fixture shape or order as it will be fabricated. In the regular use of the dimension buttons on the elevation sheet, when you click a button, you are prompted to enter all 5 dimensions numbers. The dimensions of each piece of glass are entered. The base glass top is located in the lower area of a fixture. Therefore, within the group of detailed dimensions, the base glass top is lower in the list of dimensions. The base glass top is a detailed dimension, not a primary dimension. Enter the dimensions by clicking the button DMNS S1 BSE GLS TP. Exit the macro after reading the message by clicking the OK button. Enter the amount specified by the macro. Quantity for most projects is 1. Quantity can be a fraction or whole number greater or less than 1. In cell U480, enter quantity 1. After entering quantity, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 1.2.49 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.50.